What are the differences between SQF Gap Assessment and Internal Audit? My name is Felicia Liu and I work with food businesses to help them with Gap Assessment and Internal Audit. Many food manufacturers are still confused about food safety gap assessments and internal audit. Today we are going to review these concepts. What is a food safety gap assessment? A food safety gap assessment is a systematic evaluation of a food manufacturing facility to identify any gaps or deficiencies in its food safety practices and procedures. It helps the facility to proactively address any gaps in its food safety management system and ensure that it is operating at the highest level of safety and quality. Let me list some of the gap assessments that we help with. SQF Gap Assessment or SQF Internal Audit. HACCP Gap Assessment or HACCP Internal Audit. GMP Gap Assessment. GDP Gap Assessment for storage and distribution. Good Agricultural Practices for farming. Primus GFS Gap Assessment. So, what exactly happened during the food safety gap assessment process? During a food safety gap assessment, we typically will conduct a comprehensive review of all aspects of your facility's operations. This includes examining the facility's physical infrastructure, equipment, sanitation practices, employee training programs, and documentation of standard operating procedures. The assessment process varies, but can include a thorough examination of the facility's documentation, like food safety plans, standard operating procedures, and records of previous inspections. Once the assessment is complete, we will compile a detailed report outlining their findings. As a bonus, clients who work with me also receive a copy of our recommendations. Implementing the recommendations from a food safety gap assessment is crucial for our client to maintain food safety and comply with legal requirements. The questions then became, what are the differences between gap assessment and internal audit? An internal audit is an independent and objective evaluation of an organization's internal controls, processes, and systems. The main purpose of an internal audit is to assess the effectiveness and efficiency of internal controls, identify any weaknesses or deficiencies, and provide recommendations for improvement. While this is typically conducted by the internal team, facilities typically have challenges finding qualified internal auditors or need to provide time and training to create an internal audit team. One way to mitigate these internal audit challenges is to hire a food safety consultant like Felicia Liu to perform your internal audit. As the internal audits now are performed by a third party, the internal audit also qualifies as a gap assessment. If you are seeking to determine the missing food safety elements in your business or start working to build your food safety programs, getting started with a gap assessment would be a great move. We can help you assess your food safety program compliances against multiple food safety standards and both CFIA/US FDA regulations. Remember, when you work with us, you also solve your resource challenges by conducting internal audits. Don't wait for the right time to conduct an assessment. The further you wait when you are ready, you might lose the chance to fix the emerging issues. It is okay to find gaps during the gap assessment or internal audit. And we are here to help you with our independent opinion, and we keep our report and findings confidential.